Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with It's Organized! Not so fast. Years ago, I was looking for ways to help a client in her kitchen, and I asked if I could open a drawer, and she said yes, but it was organized. I wanted to say, organized, you say? Not so fast. Or, you keep using that word. I do not think it means what you think it means. What I was looking at was a full drawer. A very full drawer. Mostly there were business cards bundled in blocks with rubber bands, carefully arranged so they all fit inside the drawer. Here's what she was missing. Fitting is not the same as organizing. One of the best indicators of being organized is to be able to find what you want when you want it. So here's what to look for beyond fitting so that you can get organized and stay organized. First, findability. Findability involves establishing limited, dedicated zones. It turns out that my client's drawer did not contain her entire category of business cards. Some were in a binder and some were in random tote bags, so she never really knew where to look for them. If she could limit her search to the drawer, there were no subcategories of business cards that could limit the search. Finally, there were no labels of any kind to direct the search. Second, visibility. Ideally, your storage system should function like a scoreboard. You should be able to quickly see where things stand at a glance. The office supplies and reference I access every day are highly visible because I removed my closet doors. I'm not saying you should do anything so radical. I just want to emphasize the value of visibility. Visibility also comes from choosing clear containers or no containers where you can. Third, accessibility. Accessibility starts with breathing room. Is there enough room for energy to circulate in your space? Are you unburdened? Have you also given yourself seeing room? That might be open space on a shelf to look down and access what you've got. Standing room is space to stand back and see and access what you have. Processing room comes from your number one organizing tool, a clear work surface. You can access usable things in bins if you have a clear work surface to process on. Finally, drawers help with accessibility for smaller items. And fourth, proximity. Consider proximity when you consider frequency of use. Annual access should be located in a basement, attic, or garage. Hourly access should be located close to, but not on, a clear work surface. In-between access should be located in between proximity accordingly. When you consider these four elements, then you are able to approach sustainable organizing. When fitting works against these four elements, fitting actually makes you less organized. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.